equilibrium concentration, your BP will begins to rise, abi? No, that is not how to do things. Now, let me help you with it, okay? Don't run, remain constant while I teach you this. Now, the question here says calculate the equilibrium concentration of all the species. So, what are the species? Species, we have 1, 2, 3. They are the species there, okay? At 613 Kelvin, for the reaction PCl5 to give rise to what we call PCl3 plus what? Cl2. Now, if the initial concentration of the three gases is 0.15 mole each, and Kc is given to be 0.008 mole at 613, and volume of the vessel is 1.0. Leave all this story behind, okay? Let us focus on what we are here for. Now, to solve this problem, this is what you need to do. So you write this equation. The equation here is Pc5 to give rise to PCl3 plus Cl2. Now, the next thing you are going to do here is that you are given that the initial concentration is this one here. So what are you going to do? For this one, this is the reactant. You are going to write 0.15 minus, make it x, because according to the question asks you to calculate the concentration of all of them each. So you are provided with inertia. For this one here, you are going to write 0.15 plus what? Plus x, because these two here, they are the product formed. While this one here will be 0.15 plus x again. Now, since you have done it like this, you now go in this direction. Remember, Kc equals to concentration of, remember, you always have your product at the top. So you are going to have PCl3 dot followed by concentration of Cl2 over what we call concentration of PCl5. Okay, so this is how to write the expression for it. So what is the Kc given to you? You are given this one here. That will be 0.008 equals to, so the concentration of this one here, the one that we are seeing in this place, is this 0.15 plus x. Okay, you bracket it, then into bracket for this one here, which is this, that is 0.15 plus x, close the bracket. Okay, so all divided by this one here, which is this one in this place, 0.15 minus x. Okay, because this one here is the what? Is the reactant. So what are you going to do next? Mathematics says you should what? You should cross multiply. That will give you 0.008 into bracket 0.15 minus x, close bracket, equals to the two of them that we have in this place, that is 2 square. We are going to have 0.15 plus x, then you square it up. Now, from what you have in this place, what are you going to do? You are going to use this one to open this bracket. When you use this one to open this bracket, what are you going to have? You are going to have, that will give you 0.0012, then minus 0.008x equals to this one that you have in this place, 0.15 plus x, then square. Now, in this place, you are going to apply what we call quadratic formula, which will take my time, but I don't want this one to take the whole time that I have here. At the end of the day, there are two values you are going to obtain for the x. So you are going to make use of the one that is positive, not the negative. So among the values that we have there, the one that is positive in this place is, you are going to have 0.082. That is the positive value you are going to obtain there for the value of x. So what are you going to do next? You bring each and every one of them to this place. So for all the species that you have there, among the species include this. So PCl5, okay, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 0.15 minus x. So when x equals to 0.082, what are you going to have? That will be 0.15 0.015 minus 0.082. So what would that give you? This will give you 0.068, okay, as the concentration there. Okay, now it should be noted that this one and these two here, they are the same thing. That means PCl3 is equal to Cl2, which is equal to what? 15 plus 0.5 plus x. So when the value of x equals to what? 0.082. So what are you going to have here? You are going to have 0.15 plus 0.082. So what will that give you? When you solve from your hand, you are going to have that will give you 0.232 mole. So that is what the question asks you to solve. That means the PCl3 will be 0.232, also Cl2 will be 0.232. So that is what the question asks you to calculate. But it should be noted that you must use quadratic formula to solve this problem here. Take note of that. Thank you.